Good morning, everyone. Today, on behalf of Shanghai chapter, I would like to share with you some of the activities that Shanghai chapter has done in 2024. Since we will meet in Tokyo soon next month, so today I would like just to briefly introduce some activities. So first of all, we went to a vocational college in Zhejiang province to introduce SIGGRAPH and some technology in the industry to the teachers and the students. We have also reached cooperation and will visit their campus from time to time to discuss technology with their teacher and the students in the future. So the second activity was that we held a professional training in digital game and animation, not only in theory, but also in practice. And the third one was the World Young Skill Day in Shanghai, where university students from Shanghai experienced technology in the field of digital game and animation. They are all the college students from different majors. And we hold this event every year to allow college students to experience different professional fields. And the next one was that we had an event about the motion capture. You can see our chairman Felix dressed in the motion capture clothes to share the knowledge about this field. Then me and Felix went to the VTC school in Hong Kong to share with the students about the company and industry in Shanghai, and we welcomed them to participate in the summer internship activity for the college students in Shanghai. So then the VTC students from Hong Kong came to China and Shanghai to participate in the summer internship activity so this year 19 of the students participate, and some came to Shanghai and some went to Shenzhen to experience the internship life in different cities. So this event we also hold every year, cooperate with Hong Kong. Okay, the next one, we held a computer animation festival traveling show in Ningbo, during which several universities and enterprise from all over the country watched the CAF Excellence Animation Works. And we also held an event on the theme, the development trends of global digital creativity, and invite 3 groups of guests to give presentations. One group from Japan animation company, and one group from Finnish vocational school teacher. And finally, the chairman of Shanghai chapter, Felix, shared the digital industry field. And the last event, I think, is the large case event, the GDSC 2024. We welcome the nine country and regions competitors and experts participate in this competition. So next year we also will hold GDSC 2025. So I will say welcome guys to China to join us. So this is also the plans for the 2025. And so that's the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening, and I will see you guys in Tokyo.